Hi everyone. So my good lady's sewing machine's been playing up a little bit. What it is, it's the bobbin winder on top of the machine. It sometimes works and sometimes doesn't, so we're going to see if we can repair it. Let's see how we got on. Okay, so this is my good lady's brother sewing machine, and this is the part there that's not working properly. It sometimes goes around. You put the bobbin on there and it winds a full bobbin on, but it doesn't work all the time, so some things are missing inside, so we're gonna take it apart. It's not too bad. Big screw holes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then the two halves should separate, and we'll be able to see what we're looking at. Okay, so all the screws are out. Now to try and separate it. So we have it apart, and so we've opened it up, and there's a little rubber wheel that, or like a little rubber tire that goes on that bit, and that's all worn away, and that drives off of the serrated piece when it goes around. So take it off. There's about 3 screws there to get access to it, so I'll take that off and see if I can find something to fit it. There we go, that's the worn little rubber tyre, is all I can describe it as. I'll see whether I can find something to go on there. So I've made like a rubber tyre out of a bit of pipe and got it on there. We'll see if this works. So this is the repair. Let's see if this LEDs are flickering in the camera. That, you can see the bit of rubber tyre, and if I flick it over now, you'll see the bobbin winder going round. I don't know how long it'll last. We'll have to wait and see. Right, so we'll put it back together then. I'll just put that part on. I'm just going to slide the two halves together and screw it back up in the reverse of the way that it came undone. It's wound too tightly now because we've put that all the way around.
Yeah, well,
so I need to go back a bit on that. But yay, giving a bit of brotherly love to the brother. It works. So if you enjoy the videos, please give us a like, subscribe if you would. That would really help the channel come along, and share it. let everybody know. The more viewers we get, the better it'll be. Thanks very much, and we'll see you next time. Bye bye.